Okay, we have our head here carved out and sanded. We need to make these 3 blocks, which are going to go in here for our neck piece. So we're going to put them together. So we'll glue these together, let them set and dry real good, and then we can put it inside the neck for our neck piece. Download the free Upside app now to earn cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code ROLL to get an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first tank. You can cash out anytime right to your bank, to PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. For a degree he couldn't use? Now what? I had a friend that went to my computer career and they talked to me about it. It was done in just months. I did do it online. They even helped him get hired immediately after graduation. One of the things I love about IT is that you can work from anywhere you want. You could become an IT pro in just months with 0 experience at My Computer Career. It worked for me and I know it can work for you. It's not rocket science. It's mycomputercareer.edu. Sponsored by Progressive Insurance. Looking for a career you'll love with flexibility, great pay, and benefits in one of the country's workplaces? Come join our growing team. Go to progressive.com/careers and apply online today. The How to Money podcast helps you live a richer life by teaching you how to handle the money you have in a more thoughtful, purposeful way. Join host Joel and I for personal finance nuggets that actually make a difference. Wipe this excess glue off. And we'll set this aside, let it sit up real good, then we can sand it down. Thanks for watching.